In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a frozen 1688 account. If your account suddenly locked up, don't worry. This usually comes down to security flags and is often reversible with a few careful actions. Start by turning off anything that hides or changes your internet location. That means no VPN, no proxy, and no Tor. These tools are the most common reason accounts get frozen because they make your login look suspicious. Switch to a stable residential internet connection, ideally your normal home network, and avoid public Wi-Fi or rapidly switching networks. After you've turned everything off, wait about 10 to 30 minutes, then try logging in again. Next, make sure your Alipay account is verified. 1688 is tightly linked to Alipay's trust system, so a verified Alipay significantly improves your risk profile. Log into Alipay and complete identity verification with your legal name, your country, and a valid passport or government ID. Add a reachable phone number and an email you actively use. A fully verified Alipay often helps unfreeze or prevent future freezes. Then confirm your phone number directly on 1688. Log in, open account settings, and bind a real long-term phone number. Enter the SMS code you receive to finish the binding. Avoid temporary or virtual numbers. They're a frequent trigger for freezes and can block recovery steps later. If you're prompted for security checks, complete every single one. Solve the CAPTCHA, enter the SMS or email code, and if requested, complete a face or ID check. These prompts are normal when the system detects unusual activity. Take your time, ensure good lighting for any face scan, and use the same device and browser if possible. At this point, many freezes resolve on their own. Give it 24 to 72 hours while consistently using the same device, the same network, and no VPN. Avoid repeatedly logging in and out during this window. Just check periodically. If you're still locked after that, submit an appeal from the freeze notice by selecting Appeal or Unfreeze, often shown as Shen Su or Jiedong. Provide a clear reason, such as a new login location, and upload ID only if requested. After submitting, expect a response within 1 to 3 business days. Appeals tend to succeed when the information is accurate and consistent. As a last resort, contact 1688 support through the help center. Open a ticket, include concise details, and attach screenshots of the freeze message and any errors. Responses can be slow, but they are effective. Stay patient and keep communications clear. Follow these steps and you'll maximize your chances of regaining access safely.